Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Start with the yeast. In this video, I will show how to make Cafe du Monde style beignets. Combine 1/2 cup of warm water with 1/4 cup of sugar and 1 packet of active dry yeast. Let it sit for 5 minutes until foamy. Then, mix in 1/2 cup of evaporated milk, 2 large eggs, and 4 cups of all-purpose flour. Knead the dough for about 10 minutes until it is smooth and elastic. After kneading, place the dough in a lightly oiled bowl, cover it, and let it rise in a warm spot for about 2 hours or until it has doubled in size. Once risen, gently punch down the dough. Roll it out onto a lightly floured surface to a thickness of approximately 1/8 of an inch. Then, use a sharp knife or a pastry wheel to cut the dough into 2 5-inch squares. Now for the frying, heat about 3 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pot or Dutch oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully drop 2 or 3 bayonet squares into the hot oil at a time, being careful not to overcrowd the pot. Fry them for about 30 seconds on each side, or until they puff up and turn a beautiful golden brown. Remove them with a slotted spoon. Once fried, immediately transfer the bayonets to a plate lined with paper towels to drain any excess oil. While they are still warm, generously dust them with a thick layer of powdered sugar. Serve them immediately for the best taste and texture. They are truly a delightful treat. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.